Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about punctuation marks. Comma. She is wise, healthy woman. Full stop. It's very hot today. Colon. Hina plays 3 sports: volleyball, cricket, and tennis. Exclamation mark. Yes, he will come with me. Question mark. What is your name? @sign. Here is my email address: mary@gmail.com. Apostrophe. It's very easy. Ellipsis mark. Today we started new work. Quotation marks. I am very tired, she said. Slash. Free tickets will be given to children, women only. Square bracket. Apple is really useful fruit. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.